Rust is an iron oxide, usually reddish brown in color. It is formed by the reaction of iron and oxygen in the presence of water. All metals can corrode. Iron rusts very quickly. If iron is allowed to get wet and exposed to air, noticeable brown rust can develop in only a few hours. Rust is permeable to air and water. Therefore, the interior metallic iron beneath a rust layer continues to corrode. Rust prevention thus requires coatings that preclude rust formation. Stainless steel forms a passivation layer of chromium 3 oxide. Similarly, passivation behavior occurs with magnesium, titanium, zinc oxides, and other electroactive conductive polymers. Special weather steeling alloys such as Corten rust at a much lower rate than normal because the rust adheres to the surface of the metal in the protective layer. One of the most famous methods to prevent rust is galvanization. It consists of an application on the object to be protected of a layer of metallic zinc by either hot dip galvanizing or electroplating. Zinc is traditionally used because it is cheap, adheres well to the steel, and provides cathodic protection to the steel surface in case of damage of the zinc layer. Cathodic protection. Cathodic protection is a technique used to inhibit corrosion on buried or immersed structures by supplying an electrical charge that suppresses the electrochemical reaction. If correctly applied, corrosion can be stopped completely. Rust formation can be controlled with coatings such as paint, varnish, or wax tapes that isolate the iron from the environment. Large structures with enclosed box sections such as ships and modern automobiles often have a wax-based product, technically a slushing oil, injected into these sections. Such treatments usually also contain rust inhibitors. The shipping industry. The shipping industry faces many challenges, but one of the major one is rusting and corrosion on the ships. The industry tries to prevent rusting and corrosion in numerous ways. Earlier, mixtures of anodic and cathodic inhibitors such as chromium, zinc, and phosphates were used to lessen the effect of corrosion in water systems. In some cases, a polymer was added, which is also done today to avoid the problems of fouling on the metal walls. On the other hand, to prevent microbiological growth, biocides such as chlorine and quaternary ammonium compounds are added under acidic conditions. Currently, chromates and acid pH values are replaced by the use of organic phosphates as corrosion inhibitors, while for control of fouling, polycarboxylate type polymers are used. Material section is one strategy to address corrosion. Corrosion control can be designed into the ship itself. Using high-quality coating systems is another strategy for battling corrosion on the ship. The main deck is protected with a high-grade combined composite coating system that starts with a zinc primer, followed by an epoxy coating with aluminium pigment as the second coat, and then a top coat of POR coating. Zinc primer is used for adhesion purposes, enabling the coating system to adhere to the metal surface. The epoxy acts as a barrier to protect the metal surface and reduces the amount of water, chlorides, and other contaminants that can access the surface and cause corrosion problems. Keeping electrical circuits on the ship dry helps to prevent and control corrosion. To do this, waterproof insulation around cable connectors is used.